Ah, look what Mr. Amazon Man just bought me. So I'm going to use a knife. Be careful, don't want to cut yourself. But half the time it's the only way of getting into Amazon boxes. I'm not going to tell you what this is because you're going to guess by the title of the film. But yeah, now this arrived a little time ago, but not being a full-time YouTuber has disadvantages sometimes, as in I have to work for a living. As you know, I actually am a photographer, so I spend most of my time either researching the job, going to the job, and then editing the job. So I run out of time occasionally to do these sort of videos. So this has been sat on the desk for a few weeks now to be done, but unfortunately I had a trip abroad for a week and a half, and then last week was quite jam-packed. So without further ado, here it is, and it's the DJI Action 2. Now I own the Action 1. I haven't got it here because I've lent it to someone, as I am a quite nice person occasionally. So I can't do a comparison on the size, but this is more of an unboxing, so it's not a comparison thing yet. We'll try and maybe do that down the line. So, but let's get this open. Right, Amazon cardboard box. What do we do with Amazon cardboard box? Goes in the recycling. So that's in the recycling. Right, let's get this bad boy open straight away. So that's what the box looks like. It's quite a small box to be considered. You know, I think DJI have gone down the route of Apple now, and it's very minimalist packaging, but very well packaged. So let's get this on. I'm going to bring the knife back in because that's what it's there for, just to get this cellophane off. That's fun. There we go. So as you can see, I haven't even opened this yet. It's been sat here and I've been going, please open me, please open me. And I was like, well, I can't, mate, because, you know, I need to show the guys you first. So there you can see, there's the basic box. Now this is how it opens up. It's got one of those side things on it that basically pulls up. There we go. We'll just move that across a little bit. So on here, scan the barcode, tells you how to do the mount for around the neck as well. So, well, that's pretty good. I always like instructions that are pretty languageless. You can say that you can read them in no matter what language you speak. So, which is quite good if you're abroad and you buy something. So there we go. Right, first of all, in here, this is going to be instruction manuals, quick start guide, all the usual stuff. I think now they want you to scan the barcode so you can do a bit more on it. So, right, let's just get rid of them a sec, because as we know, not many of us ever read the instructions. We should, but we don't. But let's get them over there. Right, there we go. Now you can see the camera. That's it. So we've got two parts to it here. We've got the actual camera itself, and then we've got the spare screen, which has the SD card, micro SD card, extra mics and all that sort of stuff in it. So let's take these out first. So that's nice packaging, you know, quick release. Oh, he says, there we go. So that's all come off. That'll go in the recycling bin as well. So this is the camera itself, look. So pretty much, it's tiny. It's absolutely tiny. It actually weighs more than it actually looks. I think it's about, they say an egg, so it's about 50 grams, I believe. Maybe a little bit less. We'll put it on the scales in a bit and see what it looks like. But there we go. That's the camera itself, which is, it's smart, isn't it? You know, look, can you see that? That's pretty smart. Wow, that's tiny. Now, this part has an internal memory. I believe it's 32 gigabytes. So you pretty much can record a little bit on it. Whereas the last one had the micro SD card slot in, this one doesn't. So that's the actual camera. Let's pop that back just there for a sec. Second bit. Now this is the, oh, now that gets heavier. Let's get that off. This is the screen, the extra screen that taps on. This has a micro SD card, USB-C port, which you probably can plug one of the USB-C mic things in. If you've got one from the old Action, it'll probably work as well. The extra mics, that's quite a solid little unit as well. If you can see on the top here, it has these little things. So this clips basically onto the top of the camera. We'll do that in a sec once we get the screen off. There we go. So that's the screen, SD card slot in the back, say USB-C spot, a couple of extra mics, on button. So that's nice. So we'll put that back in there. We'll see what else is in here as well. So this is the kind of buy more kind of kit, I think this one is. So in here we have traditional USB-C cable. What's this? There we go. So this is the pendant. So this will go around your neck. The camera will go on it. We'll do that in a bit just to make sure. Like I say, this is unboxing more than an actual review of it. Silica gel. These are always handy to have in your camera bag as well, just in case anything gets wet. And then this is, I believe this bit must be the magnetic bit for attaching to GoPro stuff. Yeah, it is. So get rid of that. So this bit clips on the bottom, and then this bit will attach to any of your GoPro or all that sort of stuff, your action cam stuff as they like to call it. Yeah, so that's quite good, and that's magnetic as well as far as I know. The second bit, which is down here, so what's this here? So this is the little ball and socket head. Don't know how it works. Well, it's quite stiff, but yeah, that's also magnetic, so the little cam can clip on that. You can put that on an action cam. So I'm going to do an idea with Arthur with this when we're up the woods, is I'll put this on a small selfie stick with the camera. That means I can run next to Arthur as he's running, and we'll see what it looks like. So that's that bit there. And then you probably, why do people always email you when you're trying to do a video? I don't know. Probably not even important. It's probably some spam. And then this bit, I don't know what this bit is. Okay. So this bit is must screw into that and give you a, yeah, and it gives you a flat surface for it. Nice. What's that? It's got one of those sticky things on the bottom of it. So you take this off, stick it on a window. When you take it off, you put that back on again. It should stay sticky, you hope. But right, so that's pretty much everything in the box. The camera, the back, the ball and socket head, the little sticky mount, the GoPro adapter. This is what's good. This comes off as well, so that sticks on the other side of your clothes. This is what the camera looks like when it's all laid out. As you can see, there's not much actually in the box, but everything's pretty much what you need. Now, yes, you could do with a selfie stick, you could do with something else, you could do with this, you could do with the complete waterproof case, but you know, that's pretty much what you get. Here will adapt to anything you need. Just a note, this on its own is waterproof. This combined with this is not waterproof. Okay, so if you're thinking of going swimming with the camera, just take this bit. Alright, so I'm going to get this all charged up now so I can have a play with it down the line. But so what you have to do is this bit charges this bit. This can't charge on its own at the moment. Hopefully I might do something that you can charge that. But so basically that goes on like that, and you see that basically it's magnetic. So it's, let's have a look, let's get up close. See, it's got a nice magnetic sound there. Let's just do it for the camera up there. There we go. That's really hard to get undone as well. There you go. Now that's pretty good on there. So now you can see that that's charging. There we go. It's still not that big when you have the actual screen on, especially if you want to do vlog into the camera, like, you know, that. There you go, that's how it looks there. But yeah, that's basically what's in the box, and that's an unboxing of the new DJI Go 2. If you like this video and you're not asleep just yet, why don't you maybe give us a like, maybe subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more stuff coming, including possibly the new Canon coming as well. But yeah, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a tinkle my bell, all that sort of social media stuff that I don't really understand, and I should really. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. This is this is brilliant. I love magnets. I really do love magnets. It's just brilliant.